Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sasha, I'm ENT Specialist. If you recently noticed that your child is having difficulties breathing through the nose, opening the mouth frequently, breathing quite noisily, snoring at night, or even worse, stops breathing for a couple of seconds during a night, it might be a problem with adenoids. This is the lymph tissue which is placed at the back of the nose. If your child is showing any of these symptoms, especially if there is no any improvement with the nasal sprays, please come to me. I will check what is going on and I will try to help.